So here we are in the cabin. It's a nice 18 degrees and I believe it's Friday, not quite sure, but we went out to I think it's Allion. I bought a hat and I bought some Pall Mall and I got a red packet here, and I managed to find some Kool-Aid, and I'll take you outside and have a look. It's an awesome bay, and we went for a walk all around. So we're on the boat now, and right there we have an Australian warship, and we walked all the way around. There's some markets just there. And we walked all the way over to there. That's right. And right there we've got a memorial for World War II, the Papua New Guineans and the Australians. Zoom out. It's an absolutely fantastic spot, and we saw some traditional dancing and some traditional boats. It's a little bit overcast today. There was a little bit of rain when we first got off, just a bit of a drizzle. The humidity was alright actually. It was a bit hot, and the rain kind of cooled us down a bit. It's turned out to be a cracker of a day, where it's not scorching hot. There's a bit of sun. There's also a bit of a breeze, which wasn't there this morning, so that cools things down a little bit. It's not overly hot. It's just probably a summer's day. I think somebody did say it was about 34 degrees, but it really doesn't feel like 34 degrees at all. Feels more like a pleasant 26, 28 degrees. And we went to the markets. They had traditional dancing over there. I'll try and zoom into some of the houses. Notice there's a patch of dirt up there that they grow vegetables and fruit and all that just there. You can see how big those mountains are. And the boat that we're on here, or the ship that we're on, really stands out. You know, it's huge. And it's funny how sound travels. You know, we could hear somebody when they were just about there. You know, they're a fair distance away, maybe 50 metres, and we can hear them quite clearly. We saw some of the locals getting 12 volt 200 amp lead acid batteries. And the other thing we noticed is there was a whole lot of Yamaha motors on these boats. I think they've been donated or subsidised, maybe one per community, so to speak. 40 horsepowers. We've seen some 70s and some 115 Yamahas. And also the other thing that's very dominant on where we are right now is Toyota. So I thought maybe it's some more reparation. But so we can just hear that boat over there. We can just hear them talking, and that would be 100 metres away. It's absolutely pleasant. Absolutely pleasant. There is mobile phone reception here, but my SIM card's not registered on the network. And I've tried to do the data roaming and all that, it just doesn't seem to work.